Hey, welcome to my first cookbook review where I'm going to go ahead and use my 7-point system to rate it and let you know if it's worth the buy, if you should pull it out the library, or if you should go ahead and leave this one on the shelf. All right. If you're new here and you don't know how my system works, I went ahead and I made a video so you can see all the categories of what we're looking for because we want some good recipes. We want to be able to eat. We want to be able to bake. We want to be able to give this to somebody. So if that's what you're looking for in your cookbooks, stay tuned. All right. So today's first book is going to be this one. Get it, get it, get it. 50 Things to Bake Before You Die by Allison R. So let's go ahead and give you a little flip through of this so you can see what I'm talking about. Because on this one, food photography is getting a 10, y'all. We hitting a 10. We hitting a 10 here. The world's best cakes, pies, brownies, cookies, and more from your favorite bakers, either online, in store, or on TV. I mean, they're putting a lot out there. Best of everything. It's a small book for that. Expectations up there. Okay. Y'all, it's a 10 right here. Some of these, like, give me this chocolate cake. Yeah. Chocolate cake, y'all. Death by chocolate cake. So yeah, it's definitely a 10 for food photography. Some of this is giving yummy, 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 yum. Category 2, recipe creativity. Looking at the recipes that they give you in here, it's definitely classic with a twist. For example, homemade Oreos. That's new, but people do know Oreos. Birthday cake. Classic, but we don't know. The recipe could be on a twist. Strawberry champagne cupcakes. There we go. Something different. So this definitely has some classics. It definitely has some unique recipes. Okay, we're going to give it an 8 for that one. Now, step by step. Are there any step by steps in here? Any picture processes? I'm sorry, y'all. We're going to have to give that one a 0. There's no picture process in here. 0. Next category, food science. Do they break it down? Does she tell you why the eggs mix it with this, makes it like this? Nope. So we're gonna go ahead and give that a 0 for now. Sorry. Oh, difficulty. Can you go ahead and make everything out your pantry? Do you have everything in there? I want to say yeah. This one is pretty much, you have everything except for this one on the actual cover, because you see how she has the burnt layer right here. Unless you guys have a torch at home, you good. But other than that, most of the things you would have, like certain sugars, the butters, the flour, you got that. You have all that, yeah, in your pantry, or one trip to the grocery store and you set. So they get a 9 on difficulty. You definitely can make these things. Okay, recipe variation. This book, as you can see, is the best of these people. So they're not going to give you a variation off of their recipe. Okay, it's the recipe. The recipe's here. No variation. That's the recipe. So on that, they're going to get a 0. It's okay. It's still a good recipe. It's just no variation in this book. I mean, overall, the verdict, would I buy it? Would I bring it out the library again? And I mean, yeah, I would definitely take this one out the library again. If I was to give the total rating, total stars, I'm gonna have to say 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5 for this one. It has some recipes. I don't know if I'll make all 50. Sorry, before I hit the bucket. But I'll definitely make a few of them. A few of them definitely look interested in here. I'm interested in a few of these for sure. But yeah, till next time, guys. 50 Things to Bake Before You Die. Have you guys tried this book before? Have you tried any of the recipes in here? Do you have a favorite? I want to know. Tell me down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys for watching. See you later. Bye. Till next time. I'm out.